Let's flash Debian to your DEBIX board's eMMC. First, open the DEBIX official website and go to the download page. Under boot from eMMC, download the UUU flashing tool. Under boot from SD card, download the system image. Then, extract the downloaded files. Open your terminal and run the flashing command using the UUU tool. When the screen displays, wait for USB device. Connect your DEBIX board to your computer via the OTG port. Now, flip the dip switches on the board to select USB boot mode. Finally, connect the power supply to the DEBIX board. The flashing process will begin automatically.